everyone, welcome back to School of Quilting. I'm Madeline. Today we're going to go over a quick time-saving technique called chain piecing. This technique will speed up your time that you spend sewing together seams and will save you on your thread use. And it's a really simple technique where you sew multiple pieces of fabric together in one continuous chain that you then snip apart. It makes it handy to just speed sew right along, and I'm gonna take you through how to do this. Let's get started. Okay, first you're gonna take two of your squares, you're gonna align your edges, and you're gonna start sewing with your 1/4 inch seam. You're gonna take two more squares, line up your edges, 1/4 inch seam. If you're doing a quilt layout, you maybe will have put your pieces together already when you pick them up out of your layout. You're going to continue feeding each new pair of fabric